Every DIY project gets easier when you have the right tools within reach. Today, we're going over 20 must-have tools that every DIYer should own, no matter the skill level. These are the tools you'll reach for again and again, whether you're fixing something around the house or building a project from scratch. They save time, reduce frustration, and help you get better results without overthinking it. Let's break down the essentials that belong in every DIY setup. Tired of struggling with tough branches and risky ladder work? The electric pruning shears deliver the power and reach every gardener needs. This 2-in-1 electric pruner with extended reach easily switches between handheld and extension pole modes. Featuring a cordless power pruner with 1.4-inch cutting diameter, brushless motor, LCD display, and 2x 2.0 ampere-hours batteries, it handles 1 inch for smaller twigs, making it ideal for high branch and tree trimming in gardens, orchards, and landscaping. Drowning in leaves and yard mess every season? The Leaf Scoop set makes cleanup faster and easier with its extra-wide 22x adjustable leaf rake and leaf scoop set. The 12-inch to 22-inch width adjustable metal garden lawn rake for leaves is heavy-duty and lightweight, featuring high-density tines that grab leaves, pine needles, and clippings in one sweep. Designed for flowerbed under shrub pine needle and narrow space, it's perfect for efficient garden and yard maintenance. Spills, pet messes, and stains don't wait. Quick, targeted cleaning is essential to protect your furniture. The Mujerbay Upholstery Carpet Cleaner is a 12 kilopascals portable spot and stain cleaner shampooer with universal wheels and handle for easy movement. This 1.18-inch deep cleaning machine for couch, stairs, car, and messes delivers powerful suction, brush plow hose self-cleaning, and precise care, making it a true upholstery and carpet savior for everyday home and auto cleaning. Stubborn coatings waste time without the right tool, making efficient surface prep a must. The Holdley Ergonomic Carbide Scraper features a 2.5-inch scraper tool for removing varnish, paint, glue, resin, dry glaze, stains, putty, and scratches. With a hard, sharp carbide blade, non-slip handle, and second-hand ball grip, it helps save time and effort, reducing damage while working faster on wood, metal, glass, floors, and renovation or woodworking projects. Tired of exhausting floor cleaning that still leaves grime behind? The HHQ Floor Scrubber Machine delivers powerful results without getting on hands and knees. This heavy-duty floor cleaner, polisher, and buffer includes brushes and pads in a complete kit with 1 orbital floor buffer and scrubber machine, 2 polishing stripping pads, 3 scrub brushes, 1 microfiber carpet bonnet, and 1 pad holder. Designed for deep cleaning tile and grout, hardwood floors, and carpets, it restores shine, dry cleans carpets, and handles commercial-grade home and professional floor care with ease. A compacted lawn can't breathe, making proper aeration essential for healthy growth. The Senvert Rolling Lawn Aerator is a heavy-duty push-spike aeration tool up to 55 pounds, built as a manual rotary grass aerator for garden and yard use. Its spiral spikes improve air, water, and nutrient flow, while the weighted drum boosts penetration. Ideal for small to medium lawns, it's used to revitalize soil, strengthen roots, and maintain lush, resilient turf. Ever drop a screw where hands can't reach? The Koopool telescoping pickup tool set solves that problem fast with an inspection mirror telescoping, an LED flashlight, and a magnet stick. Featuring a powerful magnet up to 5 pounds, a handle extending 34.65 inches, it's perfect for automotive, HVAC, construction, and home projects. a smart choice for cool gadgets for men, stocking stuffers, and gifts. Painting edges shouldn't mean hours of taping, mess, and fatigue. The Wagner Spraytech Smart Paint Roller works as a paint power roller, power paint roller, Wagner paint stick, automatic paint roller, auto paint roller, and power roller paint system. Holding paint in the handle, it applies straight lines with controllable flow and easy cleanup. This smart paint trimming tool is used for fast, clean painting around trim, windows, door frames, and room edges. Ever wish you had an extra hand while fixing things? The Rapid Storage MagSnap wristband solves that problem as a great father's gift. Wrist magnet tool belt and screw holder, keeping hardware right where you need it. Inspired by grown-up slap bracelets, it features 15 super strong magnets with breathable mesh, perfect for DIY, woodworking, repairs, sewing, or chores. It's a smart, fun gift for dads, handymen, mechanics, and makers who value efficiency. Compacted soil suffocates grass, making deep aeration essential for healthy growth. The Suchtale behind Spike Aerator features galvanized steel tines, a durable lawn aerator soil penetrator Spike's tractor with extra-wide tow bar, and 10 star-shaped penetrating soil design that reaches up to 2 inches deep. This 40-inch tow-behind Spike Aerator with weight tray improves water, seed, and nutrient flow, making it ideal for lawns, farms, ATVs, and riding mowers. Protecting clothes and keeping tools within reach is essential for any workshop project. The UUP Woodworking Apron is a 20-ounce canvas work apron with 9 pockets, designed as a heavy-duty woodworking workshop bib apron for carpenter woodworker, adjustable and water, oil, and dirt resistant. With multifunctional pockets and a magnetic pocket for screws and nails, it provides convenience, safety, and organization, perfect as stocking stuffers for men or gifts for DIY enthusiasts. Trimming tall hedges and hard-to-reach branches shouldn't be a chore. The Vivosun pole hedge trimmer is a 20-volt electric bush trimmer with a 20-inch dual-action laser blade, featuring an adjustable cutting head and 0.55-inch cutting capacity. With a telescopic extension pole, a 2.0 ampere-hour battery and fast charger included, and an ergonomic D-shaped handle, it offers safe, efficient, and precise pruning, perfect for cordless hedge trimming, branch shaping, and general garden maintenance. Tight spaces can make fastening nuts and bolts a real headache. The Anex offset socket power wrench with pocket adapter gear-driven extension wrench set allows you to use an electric driver or impact driver under 40 volts in tight spaces. Its ultra-thin head design, 9.5mm, fits where standard tools cannot, using socket 19mm or hex bits 1/4 inch with a dedicated adapter for secure connection, perfect for precision work in narrow areas. Keeping tools organized saves time and frustration on any project. The UUP Tool Bag is a 15-inch 16-pocket portable empty toolbox organizer storage with a soft handle, a large zipper carrying tool bag, perfect for dad, mechanic, birthday stocking stuffer gifts. With large capacity, adjustable shoulder belt, sturdy water-resistant material, and anti-slip base, it neatly stores hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches, drills, and more for easy transport and toolbox organization. Loose nails and metal debris can cause accidents, making cleanup essential. The Sedy rolling magnetic sweeper is a 36-inch rolling 40-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool with magnetic trays and a 55-pound capacity. Its ergonomic telescoping handle and smooth rubber wheels make it easy to collect nails, screws, bolts, and metal debris in workshops, garages, yards, and construction sites, keeping floors safe and metal-free. Precise seams are crucial for durable roofing, making the right tool essential. The Aineedy Roof Hand Seamer is a 2-in-1 standing seam bending tool with a 6.3-inch jaw by 22.8 inches, designed as a heavy-duty hem bender for roofing panels, drip edge, and sheet metal work. Its wide jaw design, quick seam locking, and all-in-one functionality allow roofers to bend and lock seams efficiently while reducing strain, ensuring professional results on panels and metal sheets. Protecting your hands from chemicals, grease, and punctures is essential for safety and efficiency. The Neotril Disposable Nitrile gloves are 8mm heavy-duty diamond texture grip rubber gloves, latex and powder-free, offering superior puncture resistance and a raised diamond texture for secure grip. Ideal for food handling, sanitation, automotive, industrial, and home tasks, these gloves provide comfort, durability, and versatility while keeping hands safe and the workspace clean. Inflating tires, air mattresses, or kayaks shouldn't be a struggle. The Fanttik air compressor is a fast inflation-deflation air pump, 150 psi cordless inflator with light and power bank, designed for car, bike, air mattress, kayak, swimming ring use. With dual pump efficiency, AccuInflate technology, jet speed inflation, and a long-lasting battery, it offers precise, effortless inflation and deflation while doubling as a power bank and flashlight for versatile on-the-go convenience. A cluttered workspace slows down every project, making organization essential. The HMmagnets magnetic tool holder is a 24-inch heavy-duty, extremely powerful magnetic pull force to hold heavy tools. Professional space-saving magnetic bar, tool organizer rack strip. With extra-strength magnets, it securely holds hammers, pliers, wrenches, and more. Easy to install on walls or pegboards, it keeps your garage, workshop, or kitchen organized while providing quick, safe access to all your tools. Keeping your lawn neat shouldn't be hard work. The Worx Nitro String Trimmer is a brushless motor, 3-in-1 grass trimmer, edger, and mini mower. It is a lightweight weed trimmer with command feed instant line advancement, battery and charger included. Its dual-line 13-inch cutting diameter and high-efficiency brushless motor deliver more power and productivity, longer runtime, and versatile functionality, making it perfect for trimming, edging, and mini-mowing lawns with ease and precision. That's our list of 20 must-have tools every DIYer should have on hand. With these in your toolbox, you'll be ready for just about anything that comes your way. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tool guides. See you in the next video.